In Lab 7-2, you're using a random number table and you are counting how many numbers you have to go through until you have 5 that are between 00 and 44. So we'll make a table. These will be the numbers from 00 to 44 that we find, and these are the numbers from 45 to 99 that we find. So I'm going to begin on the random number table with the very top 2, and that's 69. And so I'm going to put that in this column. Then the next 2 numbers are 58. So I will put that in this column. Now the 8 and the 1 will go together to be a 2-digit number. So that's going to go in this column. Then I've got 88. Then 85. 24 is the first number that I come across that would go in this column. Then I have an 83. Then the 1 will go over with the 2 and make 12. And then I have 81 that will go here. I have 85 that will go here. And then I have an 84. Then the next number is 01, so that's going to go here. Then I have a 99, and then an 11, then a 68, then a 62, and finally I have an 18. So I now have 5 numbers that are between 00 and 44. Then in the last column, you want to know the total number of numbers you had to go through before you could find 5 that would represent the number of people with type O blood if you randomly chose people. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So there are 17 numbers that we had to go through before we could come up with 5 that would represent the type O blood donors. Now, this is one time that you did this simulation. You're going to need to do that 10 times in all. So wherever you stopped, we stopped here with 18, then we will start again for our second simulation. So the second simulation is a 76, and then we have a 90, then we have a 79, then an 86, a 49, and then a 22. So finally we have a number that would go in the first column. The next number is a 41, and that'll go in the first column. Then we have a 95. Now notice I'm at the end of the row, so I now just come back and begin on the second row. I have a 19. So now I have 3 numbers. Then I have a 79, then a 72, then a 77, And finally, I'm at 08. Then a 70, and then a 28. So where I stopped at 28, I can then begin again and go into my third simulation. So in the second, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it took 15 people chosen randomly before I would get 5 that would have the type O blood. So again, you do this for 10 times. You make 10 simulations, and you just keep going on the random number table, looking for numbers 00 to 44, and that would be the type O people. And then the other numbers, 45 to 99, would be the other types of blood other than type O.